This is a true story of 7 strangers
picked to live in a house together.
have their lives taped.
To find out what happened.
People stop being polite.
And start getting real.
Stop! You just want to be
Running.
You just want to be nasty, though.
You just want to be nasty.
But you're my brother. Brian's not my sibling.
Brittany.
You just wanted to touch my titty.
What titty?
This titty.
The bitty.
You're stupid. You just wanted
Hitting
to
people
touch
on their
that.
balls.
He just wanted to touch that. You see him just smack it like it's
Like it's what? Hitting people on their
Haiti or
genitals.
something. I'm not Haiti.
Yeah, right.
Dumb. You just wanted a reason to touch my titty.
Don't get nasty, Brittany.
You did.
What titty, Brittany?
This. You all smacking it like a fool. Dumb ass. That's just nasty. That's incest. You just wanted to touch my titty. Now, maybe if I punched you in the balls, you have a reason to go and do that. But nobody touched you. It wasn't your problem. You wanted to go and touch my boob.
Listen to
First of all, first he came and was pointing to my vagina, and then wanted to hit me in the vagina, just grab a little sneak peek. And then he locked me up over there and hit my titty like a fool. And you know that's true. You know that's true. You know that's true. Amir, come get her. And Amir's my cousin too. Amir, come get her. Dumb.
Don't be stupid, Brittany. Don't sound
He
like
wanted Amir to get in it too. Stupid.
Don't be
You
dumb.
did. You wanted
Don't be
Amir to
dumb.
get in it too.
You sound so stupid right now.
Isn't that what happened, Brian? Let's not lie.
No.
That's what happened. Locked me up like this, hitting my vagina.
When did anybody get your vagina?
You! And then he pointed to my vagina, like in front of Brian. He was like, you don't see her balls? Then try to hit me in it.
Brittany,
Disgusting.
you have a thing for crying rape, don't you?
Yeah.
You must, because you don't know what you're talking about.
You should have been there. Oh my god. Like, so stupid. Now Javon's on the piano, not playing the piano no more. When he was just letting his little fingers go, like just playing his little melodies and stuff. And Brian's still sitting on Brian's still sitting on the floor. I swear to God, you should be here. Nobody's talking about Tariq's all playing the video game, Tiana's all just with me. Oh, he's acting so stupid. I can't have babies now. So dumb. I had to just remove myself from the whole scene because I wanted to just laugh on it. So I just had to remove myself from the whole scene. Yeah. I was just a little bit embarrassed on top of a little bit of, you know, pain. Trying to act like it's that big of a deal.
He was
Because
like,
it wasn't that big of a deal when Jennifer was all playing with his
Bernie.
balls.
No, Bernie, he was like, it hurts like you get titty twisters for 15 seconds straight. 15 straight seconds. I was like, please.
So no. And then Joanna had to take it to the next level when it wasn't even his problem. And he was all holding me up against the wall. Everybody come get her. Like, why would you do that, you fool? Like, it's not your problem. He always has to make... Yeah, he always wants to make things his problem. I punched Brian in the balls, and then he's all sitting here, everybody smacking my titty and stuff. I'm like, get off me, you fool. Dummy. I swear he makes everybody's problem his problem, like butts in everybody's conversation. Just shut up sometime.
Bro, I was like, it really hurts that bad.
I know, playing.
He was like a titty twister for 15
Doesn't even really know what
seconds.
happened. He wasn't even paying attention. He was so into the piano, he didn't even know that what happened. Then he heard whatever when I went upstairs and I'll try to get back. Stupid. Is Brian still on the floor?